Good morning, sir. Good morning to all. My name is Shumita Manna. I am from Nondigram of Purbo Medinipur district. I have four members in our family: my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, me, and my husband. And I got admission in PhD from Vidyasagar University. And now I am sharing about my topic. 2 week international workshop in our university. So, first of all, there are at about 30 teachers in for this workshop. Those who are lecture to us, and they are belongs to India as well as outside of India, like USA, Australia, and uh, in national level. One is from Barwan University. One professor is from Sidhu Kanu Birsa University. Two are from Kharagpur IIT, and two are from university. Those are located in Australia, and two professor are from USA and USA University, and our teacher in means Vidyasagar University teacher are eight teacher. So their lecture about those students are want to do PhD or doing PhD. Uh, for those people, these are most important session. Uh, those people have importance on this topic. So those are from university, Vidyasagar University. From those scholar, they take 2000 rupees, and those are from outside of Vidyasagar University. They must have to give 3000 rupee, and those are teacher, I mean those are professor. They give for at about 4000 rupees for attempt, মানে ওখানে পার্টিসিপেট করানোর জন্য, ফর পার্টিসিপেশন। And there also a first day there was a professor of RBI chairperson of economics, Dr. Soibal Koro was there, and all teacher and or professor are lecturer very outstanding, was very outstanding. They actually all topic those are introduced by all the member. Actually one and one topic is মানে একটা topic. Each topic takes actually minimum 1 month. Instead of this they takes only 2.5 hours. So this was so difficult to understand in very short time. uh, Otherwise they are actually those professor are expert in that topic, so their explanation are very outstanding. But as time was very short, that's why we are understand something are very understand very clearly, something are not yes, something are not able to understand by me. And I don't know about other so and argue. Yes, yes, and per day it starting from 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. first session. After then there are lunch time, and then 30 minutes later after we join another class, another teacher will be lecture, and they also take 2.5 hours. And up middle of 2.5 hours there also a tea break, 5 minutes. And uh, for lunch all students and teacher are provided freely, and they are collected token um, before lunch from our organization committee. And so all teacher or student may choose veg or non-veg, like chicken, fish, or non-veg. There are no option of eggs. So হয়ে গেছে আর কি বলবো। সো দিস সেশন ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু আস, টু অল scholar those are wanted to doing PhD or doing recent যারা জয়েন হয়েছে, দোজ আর join recently or want to PhD in future. So all topic are about like research ethics, and why we choose this methodology or various type of methodology, when and why we use this methodology. According to your objective you should choose methodology. And so there are amazing session was there. And I think those professor are from economics background. I mean, they are they are from economics background, as I am also from economics background. So economics related topic or econometrics tools are very I am able to understand very clearly. Those professor are from computer science or anthropology or others subject background. I am not able to understand those topic, but their style of teaching is so amazing. Not all, না মানে সবটা যে বুঝতে পারি না এমনটা নয়। Yes, it does not mean that all topic are not understood by me. Some topic are understood, but maximum of I am not able to understand. However, it's so beautiful session, and teacher are all teacher are experts, so very amazing session. It's all about my topic, 2 weeks international workshop in our university. Thank you.